What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samuel, financial market analyst. Today we shall be looking at crude oil versus US dollar on daily time frame. Now, I have been getting a lot of messages on my Facebook page about pending order, and today I'm going to explain buy and sell limit and buy and sell stops. Now, what is a limit order? A limit order is an order placed to either buy below the market or sell above the market at a certain price. You use this type of entry order when you believe the price will reverse upon hitting the price you specified. Once the market reaches the limit price, the order is triggered and executed at the limit price. Now, let's start with buy limit. A buy limit is an order placed uh, below the price, and the price then goes up. Let me show you what I mean. Now we go to pending order. Now we can see we have buy limit, sell limit, a buy stop, and sell stop. Now a buy limit is an order you believe that this price, when this price will go down, and when the price get to this point, for example, when the price comes down here, it will reverse and go up. Now you place your buy limit here below the price, then price goes up. Now sell limit. Limits are order placed above the price, then the price goes down, vice versa. The market is right here, and you believe when the market gets here, it will reverse and goes down. The market comes here, then reverses. Now this is the sell limit. This is the buy limit. Nice. Now let's go to buy stops. You place a buy stop order to buy at a price, and it's triggered when the market price touches or goes through the buy stop price. This is an order placed. And the market keeps going. For example, the market is right here, and you think you've done your analysis, and you think when this market gets here, it will keep on rising. So when the market gets here, the order is triggered, then the market keeps on going up. This is the buy stops. This is the buy stops. Now let's go to the sell stops. You place a sell stop order to sell when a specific price is reached. This is an order placed, then the market keeps going down. Yeah, for example, you think when the market gets here, for example, it will keep on going down, so you place your order here, and when the market gets here, the order is triggered, then the price keeps going down. This is the sell stops. If you place a sell stop order here, In order for it to be triggered, the current price will have to continue falling down. I hope this works for you guys. That's all I got for you today. Catch you guys next time.